Hi class. The last couple days we have learned about opposites, and I've given you examples of those opposites in PowerPoint and you were to define them. Today I will have you be working more independently. I want you to start a small research project looking at examples of opposites. It does not have to go with our theme, but it is better if it does. You just Google search on your images. You could say pictures of the same or alike and go to Google Images and you can pick yours and say you want these apples. You can open up the picture, right click, save image as, and add it to your photos. Once you get all your pictures together, you will start by opening up Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint, you will be inserting all these images in here. First, you want to start with the title. So we're going to start by saying opposites. Okay, I'm just starting this off. I want you guys to have more details, but we're going to make this as simple as possible, and you can do that as well. So we'll start a new slide here, and over here you can click this button that says pictures here and insert your picture like that. And all you will write on the other side is these are different. You can also put what they are different: dog, cat. But the main part is that you need to say that whether they are different or if they are alike. You will continue to do this. I want at least 7 pictures, and I want half of them, which I know, either 4 or 3 of the same and 4 or 3 of the opposite. I want a variety. I'm not going to be too particular about exactly how you guys want to do it, but I do need 7 pictures, and I want some of them to be different and some of them to be the same, so I know that you guys have a good understanding over this lesson. Once you are done, you can go back to your slideshow here and start from beginning and actually see how your slideshow works. There's multiple things that you can do on these slideshows, but I'm okay with just keeping it simple. So once you're done, you're going to save your file, and here I would want you to save it under your name and press save. Now, when you do that, I want you to send that PowerPoint to my email, amberj@yahoo.com, just like you did yesterday on your Microsoft Word. Send this PowerPoint to the email and I will receive it. You will be done with your project. I hope you guys enjoy this project. I think that it's simple. I'm not too particular about what you do. But I do want to have the seven photos on these PowerPoints. I look forward to looking at all of your projects.